Good morning, students.
Good morning.
First of all, I will explain all the rules to remove adverb to from the given sentence. But there are two types of sentences you find to remove adverb to. First, in which you find only adverb to, and the second type of sentence in which you find adverb to and infinitive to, adverb to and infinitive to, both type of two. But infinitive to and adverb to. First example in which you find only adverb to, but there is absence of infinitive to in such sentences. For example, that he is too poor. He is too poor. If you want to remove adverb to from the given sentence, what will you have to do? Kumari Sakshi, come to the hold the rules. Okay, it means if you find only adverb to in the given sentence, you convert adverb to into over. Any other option in place of over?
Yes, sir. Extremely.
Very good, extremely. It means you have two options. You may convert adverb to into over, or you may convert the given adverb to into extremely. Very good. Okay, thanks. Go to your seat. It's a and after this sentence, the next example in which you find adverb to as well as infinitive to, just like he is too old to run fast. He is too old to run fast. Kumari Priya, come to the board. From this sentence, what rules you will have to implement to remove the adverb to? Now, remove the adverb to. Very good. Okay, thanks. It means in the given sentence, the student has removed or changed the adverb to into so, and the infinitive to into that, subject, and cannot. Okay, stop. Now, in the given sentence, the adverb to has been removed according to the rules. And now I want to convert the sentence into past tense. Then Badal, the sentence has been converted into past tense now. What will we have to make changes in the next sentence to remove adverb to?
Sir, we convert cannot into could not.
Very good. Now change the word. Very good. Okay, thanks. It means Badal change. Cannot into could not. Why did he change cannot into could not? Because The given sentence is now in past tense. Okay, go to seats. Now this sentence is in present tense, but if the given sentence is in past tense, that is,
listen carefully. All students of class 3, listen carefully.
now I convert here the helping verb is into was. Badal, what rule will we have to implement to remove adverb to?
Sir, we replace is into was and
Is
cannot.
into was. Now replace be inside side is into
Was and cannot into could not.
to replace cannot into could not. OT, two letters are left there.
Aditya Kumar, class 4. Hey students, अपने बैग की पेज की कॉपी ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे
Okay, it means if the sentence is in past tense, cannot is converted into could not to remove the adverb to. Okay, go to sheet. The given sentence, you have to remove adverb to from here. What will be the next sentence? The branch is so high that I cannot touch it. And if the sentence is in past tense, what will you have to make the changes? The sentence is past tense. Then what will you have to do the changes? It means could not. Okay, thanks. Go to your seat. आभारी है स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट कमेटी के कि स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट कमेटी ने वो प्लेटफॉर्म हम लोग के लिए उपलब्ध कराया कि आज स्कूल के बच्चे इस एआई बोर्ड पर, या आप स्मार्ट क्लास कहिए, डिजिटल क्लास कहिए, एआई बोर्ड के थ्रू क्लास अटेंड करना कहिए, उस तरह का प्लेटफॉर्म सबको मिल रहा है, ठीक ना। अब बच्चों के मन में कहीं से इस बोर्ड पर आकर के कुछ लिखना हो, समझना हो, कुछ सर्च करना हो, किसी के मन में कोई हेजिटेशन, आप सभी लोग इस बोर्ड पर आकर के लिखने के, कुछ सर्च करने के, आप लोग इसके लिए आप लोग ट्रेंड हो चुके हैं, ठीक। कोई मन में हेजिटेशन तो आप लोगों के मन नहीं है? ये बताइए, हम सब लोग स्कूल के आभारी हैं कि नहीं है? ठीक ना। अब बताइए, यहाँ से आज हम लोग इस स्कूल में है, आने वाले समय में आप लोग कहाँ से कहाँ जाएंगे, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पर, जिस मुकाम पर भी आप पहुंचे, लेकिन इन चीजों का जब आपको यूज करना पड़े, बोलिए आपके मन में हेजिटेशन होगा? नहीं होगा ना। तो जब स्कूली शिक्षा में ही आपको ये सारी चीजें अगर मिल जा रही हैं, आने वाले समय में अन्य लोगों से आप 2 कदम बेहतर होंगे कि नहीं होंगे? आगे होंगे कि नहीं होंगे? चलिए, इसके लिए पूरे विद्यालय को हम आपको बच्चों के तरफ से क्या बोला जाए? A lot of challengement. Now the over.